Hello, what's up guys, my name is Swastik, you are watching ST Technical. So in this video I will tell you that how you can make your Windows 10 desktop look a simple, clean, fresh desktop and a simple taskbar like this, and you don't have to download any software, and you don't have to download any zip file, or you don't have to download any RAR extraction file of clean window, or you don't have to erase all the data and hide it in a recycle bin. It's a very simple process, so let's get started without wasting the time. So guys, this is your normal desktop which are you currently using it. So you must be thinking how these apps are hidden. So for this you have to right click on view, and this option is disabled. Show desktop icons, this option is disabled, so you have to click on it, and all the apps are back now, as you can see it. Alright, and it's look completely simple. This trick is used by many of the YouTubers. I've seen them. You must be thinking how they do it, but you don't do any software. It's just a simple process. So this wallpaper is created by me only. I've created by myself only. It's ST Technical for a good background in the video. So for the background, it's your choice which background you want to choose. And here we come on the taskbar, simple looking. So you have to first drag these hidden icons into above folder. Alright, like this I'm doing. I just only keep sound, battery and Wi-Fi internet. Here you can see a watermark of Bandicam, but it's just a recording watermark. It will not be shown when you are using this trick without a recorder, and I'm still using a recorder, but in a normal window the watermark is not there, but I know that in the recording the watermark will be there. So alright, so here we come with the apps in the middle. I only keep the sound, battery and the Wi-Fi here for the hidden icons. If I want to drag these also, I can also drag in the hidden folder. So but I keep these because I have these three are very important: Wi-Fi, battery and sound. These three only, and all other are of other apps, other app data that's showing that you are using microphone and other apps running in the background. So alright, so for the taskbar, let's move on to it. So you have to right click on search, and you have to disable the option of show search box. You have to click on show search icon. You don't have to show search box because it expands the size of the taskbar. Alright, so you have to click on it. So as you can see, it will come, the search option will become by clicking on it. So alright, so for apps in the middle, you have to right click. The previous video shown in the first clip, in the taskbar all the apps were in middle, kind of like almost like Mac, but Mac is very different to Windows 10. Alright, so you have to right click and you have to click on toolbars, you have to click on links, and here you can see the links, and you have to, when you see this double arrowed icon, you have to drag it till the left side, and you have to drag one new, wait a minute, here two double line icons are shown here. So you have to first click on right, first you have to go with the right one. Here it was, and now it has shifted here, so you have to drag it simply till here. Then you must be thinking that apps are not dragged. Apps will be dragged by this. wait a minute, I've done the wrong step. So these apps are dragged in the right center, and the links option will be there alone without apps, and then you have to drag all the apps in the between. And for removing these double line icons, you have to just right click on the taskbar in an empty area, and you have to click on lock the taskbar. So as you can see, everything is gone, the double line icons are gone, and now we are having a completely new fresh Windows system. So this was the complete trick without using any software or without using any of the zip files or whatever it is. So this was a simple trick inbuilt in the Windows 10 system only. I don't know this works in Windows 8 or not, but I'm surely saying that this will work in Windows 10. So hope you all enjoyed. If you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon and set it all on notification, and leave a comment down what you think about the video. So whatever it is, hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.